Hey guys, we're going to do a quick video about how to bulk update products. If you have been adding products and you've scanned them with CamRay, or you have a SKU in the Shopify field for SKU or barcode when you were updating it manually, we can actually go back and update products for you so they have the right set of tags to work with our new collections. But if you had added some products manually and you didn't put the SKU, you might need to go in and add a few extra sets of tags to make sure things go to the right place. This is really important for Once Upon a Child. So for all you Once Upons, the collections are expecting a gender tag for girls or boys. And if you've been adding those already on your own, you'll be good to go. But if you haven't, you can bulk update stuff at once to add that information, and then all the products will go to the right collections. And going forward in CamRay, you'll actually have a checkbox for girls and boys that you can use as you scan the tag to indicate whether it's girl or boy. So please use that as you go, and then they'll already go to the right place. But let's check out how you would do that to update stuff you already have in Shopify. So I'm here under all products, and I'm looking at my products page in Shopify. You'll note I can sort if I wanted to maybe just check out the stuff I recently did, or maybe the very oldest things I did, and check those out. And then I can also filter, and I can filter by items that already have a particular tag, items that are a particular type, along with items that are already in a certain collection. So you may not need to filter or search, but there are some options there if you want to. You can also just type in something and it'll search there too. So I might do an example where I'm looking at all of the casual shoes, for example. And now I will see here are all the casual shoes we have. I can page through them. In this case, I'm just going to click here to select all of them. It'll do 50 at a time on a page, but then I can actually click over here, and this is kind of easy to miss, select all 50 plus products in this filter, and now it's grabbing everything. So it's not just this page, but all of the shoes. And now I can click more actions, and I can make them available or unavailable. I can also add or remove a tag. You'll see add or remove to collection, but that only works for manual collections. That's kind of how you use manual collections. You send certain items to a certain place. For all of our automated collections, you can't force an item into the collection. You have to get the right set of tags, and then it will be added to the collection on its own. So I can click add tag, and I can type whatever I want. Be careful because it does have to be exact, like capitalization, punctuation, everything like that. So our girls or boys tag it's expecting is not with an apostrophe. It's capital GIRLS. I think it's best to kind of click show all tags and maybe pick one that's already in use, so you're not doing something slightly different when you add a new tag. And then I click save, and it would add that tag to everything. Sometimes it can take a little bit of time, like a few seconds to process, so just wait for a sec while you see it updating until you see that it says it has updated all the items before you click around, because I've seen sometimes if you click somewhere else while it's still processing, it might not finish the update. I can also click edit products here if I wanted. This is just kind of if you needed to do a deeper dive and change some stuff. I can click add fields, like the title, for instance, and I could go through and kind of edit these individually and then save them all at once. And again, it can take a little bit of time to save them all, so just wait until you see that it's done before you click to the next page or somewhere else. But if you're just adding tags, I think it's easiest to do over here. Maybe you've been using girls as a tag with an apostrophe, and ours uses no apostrophe. So for a situation like that, you can click tagged with, and I could just type in, I'm not going to have any products that meet this criteria, but I could just type in the existing tag and get that set of items. And then I will be able to, from that result, select all, maybe select there if you need to, and then click add tag. And then I can add that new tag without an apostrophe and save. It's not going to hurt anything to have that old tag on there, but it will help to have the new one so they go to the right place in the right collection. And you can do that in a few batches and get a gender tag on all your items.